Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and in this video we are going to be learning how to watch Disney Hotstar in UK. So let's say you are outside of India and you want to watch Disney Hotstar. So you cannot access it if you are outside India. So what you can do is simply download a VPN. So like for example, I have installed this VPN called Hotspot Shield, and now you can use its premium version to access its premium location, like for example India. So you are going to be searching for India in here, and as you can see we have India here. Click on that and you have this option to connect. Click on that. You will be able to see that you are connected to India and you will be easily able to watch Disney Hotstar. So that's a pretty simple process. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.